MRF is one of the costliest share in India. Madras rubber factory which has created a history by crossing 1 lakh mark in Indian stock market. MRF share is the only one share which has crossed 1 lakh mark in Indian stock market. If you look at the stock, it has been a biggest wealth creator. It has been a consistent compounder. During 1993, stock was trading just 10 rupees. Currently, stock is trading 1 lakh rupees, which has been a biggest wealth creator for many investors. Before 1950, MRF was the balloon selling company. Later, they became a tire manufacturing company. Now, everything is history. MRF manufactures tires for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler. They manufacture tires for trucks and tractor. Now, MRF presence across the India. Now it has become a household name in India. Many people think that MRF also manufactures bat, but that's not the case. Sachin Tendulkar was promoting the MRF. He was brand ambassador of the MRF. That's the reason he used to have MRF logo in his bat. Now Virat Kohli is promoting MRF. If you look at the stock history, during the 1993 stock listed to stock market at 10 rupees. Currently it is trading 1 lakh mark. So during the 2001, stock has crossed 500 mark. During the 2012, it has crossed 10,000 mark. In 2014, it has crossed 25,000 mark. During the 2017, it has crossed 50,000 mark. In 2018, it has crossed 80,000 mark. Currently, it is trading 1 lakh rupees. If you have invested 1 lakh rupees in MRF during the 2000, now it's a worth of around 90 lakh rupees. This is how MRF has created a huge wealth for many investors. Friends, if you believe in equity, if you believe in long-term investment, definitely will create a huge wealth in the long term. Now you may ask why MRF is so costly a share in India. There are two reasons. They haven't done split so far. It's been more than 30 years now. They haven't done split so far. The second reason is the total stocks held by the company itself very less, which is 42 lakh 41,000, wherein the promoters they are having a shareholding of 27.85%. If you look at the FIs, currently they are having 18% of shareholding. If you look at the DIs, currently they are holding 11.65%. Friends, what we can learn from MRF success story? The point number one, patience. If you have patience, definitely you are going to create huge wealth in the long term. If you don't have patience, then you cannot create wealth in equity market. The second one is, if you believe in equity market, if you believe in business, definitely you are going to succeed here. Along with that, equity investment is a long-term investment process. It is not for short term. If you invest for long term, definitely you are going to create huge wealth in the long term. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with the community. Thank you so much.